Well, hello, this is Neil with Logical Machines. I am going to be showing you how your product, Homegrown Living Foods U-Bake Keto Bread Sunflower Chia, 526 grams, which equals 1.16 pounds, runs on our S-4 model with a dribble gate up top to control the product coming through the feed pan, the standard size whey hopper, large steep discharge funnel, and in this particular case a 2.5-inch spout, which matches well with this 526 gram bag. I took a video using auto dump, and I also wanted to take one with the manual dump so you can see how the foot pedal works. So this is how it goes. And you'll see that the product moves through the machine quite easily. Target weight 1.16 pounds. There's 1.7576, pardon me. And it requires that I tap on the foot pedal. So I'll move over here just for sake of getting to it more easily. 1.17. As I mentioned in the other video that I made with the auto dump on, I'm able to get these weights within 8, 9, 10 seconds. I have it set at a relatively fast bulk speed, trying to just make it go as fast as possible. You can see 1.17. That's the compressor kicking in. One thing that you'll need for the machine to actuate the whey hopper door and the dribble gate. So that's the air compressor that kicks in every so often to be able to affect the dribble gate and the whey hopper door. So just wanted to give you a sense of how well the machine works, and I'm very impressed. This is your keto bread, and it has a little bit of moisture to it, but moves through the supply hopper, the feed pan, and the whey hopper quite easily. In this particular case, I have a 2.5-inch spout for the 526 gram bag. I've calculated that the 130 gram bag is likely going to use a 2-inch spout. It seems to move quite easily through these. And one thing you'll notice, this one is flat, that's on the machine, and this one has an angle to it. Just makes it a little easier to get the bag into the bag, or the bag around it. So we can put an angle on the 2.5-inch spout as well, but I would recommend the 2 and the 2.5-inch spout for your particular purposes. There you go.